Hi everyone, hope you all are safe, healthy and happy. Welcome back to my channel Siddharth's Green Life. The party season is here, and since I got a lot of requests for a festive makeup look, here I am. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how to create this quick, simple party makeup look with minimum products. Now, I feel the canvas for really good makeup is healthy and flawless skin, which begins with effective skincare routine that results in glowing party-ready face. So without any further delay, let's get started. Now before I start, if you've been following me on this channel, you already know how important minimalism is for me, and it applies to my skincare and makeup too. Speaking of which, I was sent an entire range of products from Glutavis, a Swiss luxury skincare brand. Now you'll be surprised to see that the entire range consists of only 3 products. But as a minimalist, that's what really appealed to me, that this brand has focused on making 3 top-notch products to meet and address all skincare needs. However, before I even talk about these products, here's a disclaimer. A lot of brands have approached me for collabs ever since I started this channel. But trust me when I say that I wouldn't promote any of them until and unless I try them on myself, because I value your time and money. And even before I try these products on myself, I ensure that they are vegan, cruelty-free and free from any toxic chemicals. And this is exactly why I'm excited to talk about Glutavis Glutathione Radiance range, because all their products are vegan, cruelty-free and free from acids, bleach, sulfates and parabens. I was sent these products just when I got back from a very long outdoor schedule, which resulted in a very bad tan. I tried the Radiance cleanser, serum and cream, and I really agree with their claims because all these products really worked for me. The hero ingredient in all these products is master antioxidant glutathione, which reduces pigmentation, dark spots and helps in skin brightening. I have to mention that Glutavis has used glutathione very consciously because of the percentage of the antioxidant and has maximized its effectiveness because of the formulations. This shows how ethical they are because they have focused on the skin health and repair instead of focusing on the fairness game. I personally am against anything that claims fairness because I feel each skin tone is beautiful and should be celebrated. All that we want is radiant, clear and youthful skin, and that is exactly what the Radiance range delivers. That's where another ingredient comes in, which is vitamin C. That's an antioxidant which helps fight free radicals, renew skin cells and keep skin wrinkle-free. In addition, these products also have hyaluronic acid, which helps keep skin soft and supple due to its moisture retaining properties. Now there are other serums and products in the market that have only either vitamin C or hyaluronic acid, but the disadvantage of using these kind of separate products from different brands and layering them one over the other is the fact that you don't know how they would react with each other because they all have different chemical compositions. So that is why I have stayed away from all the vitamin C serums and hyaluronic acid serums. And that is exactly why I'm so excited that I found Glutavis, because all these good for skin ingredients are in their products: Radiance cleanser, serum and cream. Like I've mentioned earlier, it is very important to have well prepped skin for getting or achieving the right kind of glowy party ready face. So I'm going to start prepping my skin with the Glutavis Radiance cleanser. It also has a brush which I don't use. It's to kind of scrub your face with the brush, but what I do is I take the cleanser on my palm like so and I wash my face with it. Glutavis conducted a clinical trial on 35 people for 21 days, and at the end of it 100% of the study population agreed that the Radiance regime reduces fine lines and wrinkles, improves skin firmness, brightens the skin and more. Okay, after I'm done with that, I am going to use the serum and I take about 2 pumps of the serum. The consistency of the serum is so much like a primer, like how silicone based primers are, but this doesn't have any silicone, but it has that velvety texture to it. Once you apply, you feel that the skin has become extremely velvety and the makeup goes very, very smoothly after this. So that is why I like to use it under the makeup, especially, you know, if you have any special occasions and all, this can really work as a primer. I don't use primer because I'm scared of using anything that has silicons because they clog the pores. And last but not the least is the cream. Again, about a pea-sized amount. The fragrance is so soothing. Now that our skin is prepped, let's start with the makeup. Now, these are all the products that I need to create a party look. It's going to be extremely quick, easy to recreate and can be used on multiple occasions. So let's start. So I'm going to start off with a base which is by Sugar Cosmetics, and it is it's a cruelty-free brand but not 100% vegan. However, this product is vegan, so I use it. And I'm only going to use base as concealer wherever required. I'm not going to do a thick coverage foundation or any of that. So when the skin is good and well moisturized, you don't have too many dark spots and everything, then you don't need too much foundation, and that I think is a big plus, you know, when the skin is healthy. With a sponge like this which is damp, I kind of go over my face. Stippling motion, I take a little bit of base once again and I just go over it. Whatever is left on this sponge, I'm just going to quickly go on my neck with it, so that the face and neck looks seamless. I've applied a very thin layer of the base and I'm now quickly going to go over with my compact. It's by Miss Claire's. Again, not a 100% vegan brand but cruelty free, and this product is vegan. So I set it gently with this compact. Only for my under eyes, I take a brush which is slightly thinner. Next is contouring. I use contouring powder by PAC Cosmetics. With a brush like so, I will contour my nose. Next thing, with the same contouring powder that I used for my nose and cheeks, I am going to use brush like this. It's called a buffing brush. I'm going to take the powder, dust off the excess and contour my eyelids. So I am basically using the same product as a eyeshadow as well. Once that is done, got that definition. Okay, let's do the eyebrows first because I look funny if I don't do my eyebrows. It's again the same thing that you had seen in the last video, my quick makeup, everyday makeup look. It's the same eyebrow powder by PAC Cosmetics. Now once I'm done with that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a highlighter, which is actually the face highlighter by Forever 52, 100% vegan and cruelty free brand. Beautiful golden shade that I found very recently. I'm going to take a brush like that and just go over my eyelids. Just remember not to cross this line because then you will look funny. Keep it in the center of the eyelid, and that is it. Once that is done, I will take the edge of the brush, not the flat part, the edge. I will dip it into the eyeshadow like this. I'm just showing you all how to use same brush for different things, and I go over my lower corner of the eye to give it that highlighted effect. So yeah, once that is done, Kajal pencil by Faces, and what I do is I tight line the eye, which means I'm going to apply the kajal on the upper lash line, pushing into the eyelashes. With a smudging brush, I will smudge the kajal pencil on above the lashes so that we get that nice smoky effect and not like a very harsh line. So everybody has a different trick of doing their eyeliner and everything, and I find this to work the best for me. It's also very quick. I don't have to struggle with the shape and all of the eyeliner because it just happens effortlessly, and I'm all about simplifying things. So you can see that I have gotten the smoky eyeliner effect without applying any kajal on the, above the lash line. Now, once this is done, I will take a mascara again by Faces. I will go over my lashes. Apply mascara on my lower lash line as well. To remove the excess. The next thing is a blush by My Glam. So I'm going to use the peach shade from this palette on my cheekbones. After that is done, the same highlighter that I used on my eyes as eyeshadow, the golden eyeshadow, I'm going to use it as a highlighter for my cheekbones. Dust the extra and go just on the top of my cheekbones. That is it. The last step of my makeup is a lipstick, which is again by Faces. I'm using a red color at the moment because Christmas, New Year's, party season and everything. Though I'm not going out to party anywhere, I don't party. But it's just to show you all the look. You can choose any color of your choice. This neutral eyeshadow goes with any color. I'm using red. So yeah, that is it. A very quick makeup look for parties and everything. You can create the same makeup look for any Indian festivals. All that you have to do is add a little bit of kajal on the lower waterline, add a bindi, and the jewelry will do the drill for you. So yeah, do enjoy all the parties that you're going to be attending, but make sure once you all are back, get rid of all the makeup, do your skincare, and only then hit the bed. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for being with me. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and please do consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. I shall see you very soon in my next one. Until then, stay safe, feel good, and be blessed.